Very good afternoon to you. This is the Qatar A324 Heavy, we're on stand 7, requesting clearance to Doha.
Qatar A324 Cardiff, good afternoon. You're cleared to Doha. It'll be a Brecon 1 Alpha departure, squawk 4763.
Brecon 1 Alpha departure on 30 squawk 4767, confirmed.
4763, the squawk.
4763, Qatar A324, thank you.
Qatar A324, the readback is correct. You've got a slot of 1505.
Slot 1505, and we've got information,
Victor.
Can't read his writing.
Qatar A324, the readback was all correct. Report ready, push and start off stand 7.
We'll go, Qatar. Cardiff Tower, hello again, it's the Qatar A324 Heavy, we're Airbus A350-900, stand 7, QNH1008, request push and start.
Qatar A324 Cardiff Tower, push and start is approved off stand 7, X-ray is current for QNH 1007 hectopascals, runway news is 30.
Runway news 30, QNH 1007, and we're clear for the push and start off stand 7, Qatar A324. 324 Heavy, request taxi.
Qatar 324 taxi holding point Alpha 2 for runway 30.
Holding point Alpha 2, runway 30, sorry, 324.
Q4 via Alpha 1, line up and wait runway 30, report ready for departure.
Ava, for your information, the cabin's not ready, so it might be a couple of minutes delayed for that, but we prefer to keep rolling with the incline.
Yeah, I thought you might, so just report ready for departure.
Thank you very much. Clear line up, runway 30 via Alpha, and we'll call you ready. Qatar 324.
Qatar 324, when you're ready, you clear takeoff runway 30. Surface wind is 230 degrees, 12 knots, report rolling.
Wilco, when ready, clear takeoff runway 30 on advance rolling, Qatar 324. Qatar 324 Heavy is rolling runway 30.
Surface wind check, 230 degrees, 11 knots.
Thank you.
Qatar 324, contact Cardiff radar 125.850, cheerio.
125.850, Qatar 324 Heavy, thanks for your help today.
Cardiff Tower, BP Tanker.
BP Tanker.
Cardiff Tower, BP Tanker at holding point Golf, Mr. Cross runway 30, Echo 1, proceed Echo 2.
BP Tanker, cross runway 30, Golf, Echo 1, proceed Echo 2.
Cross runway 30 Golf, Echo 1, proceed Echo 2, BP Tanker, thank you.